I made over $5,000 last month with digital products that I didn't even create, and I didn't spend a single penny on ads. Sounds unbelievable, right? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do exactly the same thing, even if you are starting from scratch. Hey there, welcome back to Daily Pay with Kathy B. If you're new here, I help everyday people build simple online income streams. No tech skills, no big budget, just real results. And today I'm breaking down exactly how and where you can start promoting digital products the right way, even if you don't have your own one to sell yet. Because here's the truth. It doesn't matter how good your product or your idea is. If nobody sees it, it's just not going to sell, right? Most gurus keep this information locked inside $500 or $100 courses. But what they don't tell you is you can get started with free organic strategies that actually works right now in 2025. So grab a notebook because I'm going to show you step by step how to choose the right platform. Number 2, how to get visibility fast. And number 3, how to start earning without paying for ads or without complicated tech. Before we dive in, let me just tell you a little bit about myself. My name's Kathy, and I've tried it all. From teaching English online to affiliate marketing, print on demand, and even creating my own courses. Some of them worked and some of them didn't work. But once I learned how to leverage digital products and how to use free traffic, everything changed for me. Now I've built multiple streams of income that can pay me daily, and that's what I want for you too. You can have the best looking product or the best page in the world, but if nobody sees it, it's just not going to sell. Creating your own product or even picking one is only about 20% of the work. The other 80% is marketing, getting eyes on what you are promoting. So let's talk about the best free platforms to do that right now. Let's think about Instagram. You can use Instagram to build trust and to nurture your audience. You can post reels here, you can post stories, and you can use automation tools like ManyChat to send links, freebies, or even product details automatically, even while you are sleeping. Think of Instagram as the living room of your business where people get to know you. Let's look at Facebook. It's still useful for connections, but it's not my main platform nowadays. Keep it present there, though, for community. You can join groups, you can share tips, and you connect with others in your niche. Let's look at TikTok. TikTok is where I saw my fastest growth. Short form videos build attention fast, but you've got to be consistent. So, like posting 3 videos a day is consistent and every single day. Even just if you can't do 3, even just 1 or 2 helpful videos a day can really start to bring traffic to your offer. So we want to look at how you can turn attention into income, because that's the trick, right? Once people start seeing you and trusting your content, the next step is turning that attention into income. And that's where affiliate marketing comes in, especially if you don't have your own product yet. I personally promote a simple $25 system that gives you everything you need to get started, even if you've never done this before. If you're serious about starting an online income stream this year, I've got a free guide and training linked below. I'll walk you through how to set up your first digital product income stream step by step. Don't wait for someday. The best time to start is now. So hit subscribe and give this video a like and drop a comment saying I'm ready if you want to start your daily pay journey. And I will see you in the next one where I break down how to make your first $500 online without any tech skills. I will see you in the next video.